Hello, Your Highness! My name's Johannes!
And I'm John.
And we are Johannes
Johannes
and John! Good morning, everyone. In today's vlog ay magmumukbang ako. Hindi ko alam kung sasabayan ako ni John ngayon dahil Filipino food ito. I'm not sure if John will join me because it's Filipino food with English translation na guys ha. Okay, so kasi di ba naalala nyo nung nakaraan bumili ako ng gulay sa Chinese store or Chinese store? Asian store. Ayan, so meron ako nakuha dito na bitter gourd and then eggplant. Nagkamali pa nga ako, sabi ko eggplant ito bitter gourd. Na sobrang pagmamadali kayo. So, eto na nga. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magtutortang talong tayo and then mag-aampalaya with egg tayo. So, ay, wala akong kanin, no? Dapat pala nagsaing muna ako. So, magsasaing na lang muna ako bago ako magluto. Nagpe-prepare na din pala si Jan ng kanyang passport ngayon. I think mag-check-in na siya ngayon dahil malapit na tayo mag-flight. Flight lalo, flight lalo, flight lalo, lalo. Ang passport ko din, darling, ha? Ayusin mo. Also my passport. Ewan ko kung saan ko talagay yun. Magsaing na lang muna ako, guys. Actually, 25 days na lang magta-travel na tayo. Magkukrus muna kami ni Jan. And then after ng cruise namin, didiretso na kami sa Philippines. Uy, nakapaglinis na rin pala si Jan dito sa picture natin. Oh. Maraming sa... Uy! Nakita nyo na naman ang aking watermelon na hindi na naman namin nakain. Promise today, kakainin na talaga namin. Marami nakapansin, Johannes, ang tagalan niyang watermelon nyo dyan. Baka madaot yan, hindi mo pa yan kinakain. Gawin mo yung shake or... anong gagawin mo dyan? O, so mamaya gawa tayo ng shake, guys. Okie-dokie. So, make sure naka-on ang ating rice cooker. Kaya baka magkain na tayo mamaya. Hindi pala naka-on ang rice cooker natin. Excited na ako na umuwi, guys. Okay. Ngayon, ilang egg ang kailangan ko dito man? Siguro 2 egg lang. Okidoks. Magmumukbang tayo sa labas. Sana meron pa kaming dahon ng saging, no? Ayan. Ikuan ko nga ito. I-focus ko ito kay para magsunod siya sa akin ba? Every time, wherever I go, magsunod siya sa akin. Okay, kagaya nito. Oh, hi! Oh, on natin ito para makita nyo ang kagandahan. Oh, sumusunod siya, guys, no? So, kunin na natin yung mga seasonings natin dito. Meron tayo dito mga onion powder, garlic powder, and then kailangan natin ng paprika. O, diba? Social. And then, wala tayong bowl. Wala kaming ganap ni John ngayon. Wait lang. Bababa ba yan?
Wait lang.
Na? Akala ni John siya ang kinakausap ko. Sa labas na lang natin tulutuin. Medyo mainit lang ngayon, guys. Actually, mainit na ngayon dito sa Florida eh. 85 degrees, 95 degrees, ganyan po yung temperature dito. Wala tayong kamatis, no? Masarap sana itong ampalaya with kamatis. Sige lang. Ay, tapos lalagyan natin yan siya ng garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a little bit lang. A little bit of everything. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga ampalaya nila dito, guys. Hindi ko lang sure kung... Sige na nga, anuhin ko nga siguro itong 2 or isa lang. Siguro isa lang kasi ito, meron akong kalabasa doon. Siguro mag-ano tayo ng ginataang kalabasa with malunggay and munggo. Ayan. Sa susunod naman yan, guys. So, hindi ko na lang siya anuhin. hindi ko na lang siya ubusin. Ito. Ayan. Nag-try ako magtanim ng ampalaya dito. Hindi talaga siya tumubo, guys. Medyo mapait na siguro ito, guys, kasi gulang na siya, guys, eh. I think. Excited na talaga ako na makasama ko yung aking pamilya. Kasi November ata ako last na nakauwi sa amin. Pero matagal ako nagstay sa Manila eh, kasi nga nandun yung business natin. So, hindi ko masyadong nakasama yung aking family. So, ang ginagawa nyo ba dito, guys, ay nilalagyan nyo rin siya ng asin. Ayan. Lagyan ng asin. Tapos, cold water. Kuluman lang siya. Kuluman sa cold water. Then, itong talong, siguro dalawang talong lang. Ito, isave ko ito, guys. Save natin yan. Ito, sugba natin ito. Try natin kung kakain si Jan. Pero usually, hindi man yan siya nagbe-breakfast. So, baka hindi yan siya kakain. Ako lang ang kakain ito lahat mamaya. Ay, kuha muna tayo ng sausawan para sa ating talong. Kuha na rin tayo siguro ng sibuyas dahon. Where are you, Kitty Midnight? Kitty Midnight! Ganda ng hangin, oh. Ganda ng weather ngayon. Okay, try natin kung meron pa tayong kalamansi dito. Okay, meron pa. 1, 2. Okay, perfect.
The green onion, just pull it out of the pot.
Oo, no? Kasi malaki na siya, dear, you know? Ang laki naman ng mga green onion natin, darling. Uy! May bibisita pala. Ha?
I'm gonna rip this out today.
Hi! Which one?
Get rid of the cucumber.
Okay.
Hi.
Because it's not, no? It's not growing well.
No, I think it's too hot now.
It's too hot now.
and it's not growing well.
Okay.
I thought it would be
Tatanggalin na ni Jan.
better here.
Aha. Kasi, hala, ang laki na ng natin, oh. Avocado. Ang guavas natin, dear. Malaki na rin. Nawala yung isa dito, oh. Somebody ate it. So, there's only 2 this year. So, tanggalin na natin to, darling. Isa. Ito malaki. Okay. Grabe, guys. Ang laki.
Take it off.
Ang laki talaga niya. Anong klase ba ito nakuan, oy?
Here, cut the roots off.
I'll cut the roots. Okay. Hangin ngayon. Windy this morning. I think hindi ito masarap. Ito na lang, oh. Ayan. Itong sa gitna kasi medyo maliit lang. You wanna use it here, no? What do you mean? This one, the big one. Because I will only use a little.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. It's not worth the trouble.
It might be a little tough.
Hindi, ito. A little. In the middle. Maybe not.
You have to cut it very thin.
Mm-hmm. True. You're right. I-cut natin to ng very thinly, guys. Anong klase kaya ito na ko green onion? Ayoko ng ganitong green onion. Sugba sa tagtalong, guys. Oopsie doopsie. Lagay natin itong lamesa dito, guys, para meron akong lagayan ng aking mga lulutuin. Ng aking mga kagamit. Para lang talaga kaming nasa probinsya dito, guys. Wala pa pala akong lamas, guys. Wala akong onion, no? Nanimaho na ang akong talong. Ang akong talong nanimaho. Ano daw? Hindi pa siya nasunog. Hindi pa masyadong nasunog ang aking talong. Hi, Province! Ayun yung isa o naglalaro. Naglalaro siya. Kita nyo, guys. Ayun siya. Hi! How are you? Province! Oh, hi! Yun. Tingnan ko pa kung mayroon tayong dahon ng saging, guys. Kailangan ko ng sandok. Luto tayo, guys. Dang ampalaya with egg. Gusto ko sa ampalaya is half cook lang siya. Oops, nahulog. Punggos? Agoy, sayang. May bumangga namin, guys. May punggos na naman. Akala namin we thought that there's no fungus. Ayan, medyo palutuin muna natin yan ng very light. I think okay na siya. Ayan, okay na yan. Can you check dear if there's a green? Can you get one banana dear? Ayun siya sa likod. Tingnan natin kung makakuha si Jan. Hugasan lang natin. Hindi ko na sana siya itutorta, guys. Kakainin ko na lang siya na sinuba. Kasi ganyan naman sa probinsya eh. Lagyan mo lang yan ng suka. At saka mga panakot, pwede na. Pero sabi ni Jan, mas masarap daw pag itorta natin. Bawal lang sa kanya kasi may seeds eh. Sumasakit yung tiyan ni Jan kapag may seeds na madami. Maybe you will ready for different pan. Tulungan na ako ni Jan, guys. We can do it here now. Ooh. Looks like there's not much seeds.
That's nice.
Ayun oh. Mabango kasi ito pagka ganyan sa apoy. Ayan, mabango siya. Ayan, oh, 'di ba? Bango. Ganyan lang siya. Halog. Halog ang tawag. Bango. Okay. So, mag-set up na ako sa labas. Magawa muna ako ng toyo at kalamansi. Maganda talaga pag may sarili kang pananim sa iyong bakuran, guys, kasi libre na ang iyong sausawan. Okay. Tara, labas tayo. O, diba? Kunti lang yung malagay natin ito, guys. Yes. I thought you're gonna make another egg.
You're gonna eat with your hands today?
With my hands today. Dito sa akin, dito sa kay John. Okay, maybe you can put here and here. Wow! Sarap!
Social wrap.
Social! And beautiful weather. I think I need Coke. Oh, sayang kasi ito. May Coke tayo, of course. Hala. Di ang palayas. A little sweet.
It's not as bitter as it usually is. No meat today?
No meat today. You want meat? Do we have meat?
Too late.
Ang sarap ng talong. Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's really a little sweet, no?
A little.
Iba yung lasa ng ampalaya. Baka asukal ang nalagay ko. Maybe next time we have to soak it with sugar.
Mm. What about milk?
Or milk. Are you excited to go to Greece?
Yeah.
This is actually our first time sa Greece. This is our second time or third time in Barcelona. Third time
Third time in Barcelona.
in Barcelona. First time in Turkey. And first time in Malta. And speaking of Turkey, I think we need visa. But it's not easy to, it's not hard to get.
No.
You just pay online.
I think they're just getting you to agree that you're gonna leave,
And
just like the airline. Airline.
Jan already made a checklist, guys, ng mga dadalhin namin. Ahead of time, like months ago, he already have a checklist posted. Ganyan si Jan eh.
It's harder to forget that way. You see it all the time.
Mm-hmm. First hand. It's 12 noon pero sobrang init talaga ngayon. Iba ang weather ngayon dito. It's officially the summer.
Feels like it.
It's not yet officially hot.
Yeah, when does summer start?
Pero it feels like sometimes it reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Hindi talaga siya mapait, guys. Hindi masyadong kinain ni Jan ang palaya. Pero talong, paborito niya. Before dear, when I am not here in the US, have you tried to or do you like talong?
Cook it for work.
Grilled or how do you cook?
All different kinds of ways. You can grill it. Put miso on it.
Miso pala, oo.
You can bread it and fry it. See, like with this one, you take the sausages, chop it up, and put it in there. Cook it in with everything. That would make a nice little hash.
The bitter gourd?
Mm-hmm. You could even dice it, make it little squares. So it's the same size as everything else.
Looks like it's not bitter dear, no?
No, it's like it's supposed to be. Before it tastes terrible.
I don't know what I did. No, I just soak it with water and salt.
It's just a good batch.
Napadami na nga ng kain si Jan. Naubos ko na nga, oh. Kaya sa kay Jan, marami pa rin natala. Simpleng kainan lang. Simpleng kainan sa bukid. Dami na nakain kong kanin. Iba talaga ang toyo at kalamansi, guys, no? Wow. Ubos na yung sa akin, kaya dyan wala pa. Nab? Hi, province. Nandyan yung mailman. I-remind lang ni Jan na maraming hahakutin mamaya na box. Ubusin na natin yung kanin, guys. Parang konti lang kinain ni Jan na eggplant. Oh, eggplant. Ayun na naman ako sa eggplant. Palaya. Kainin ko na tong talong ni Jan. Kainin ang talong ni Jan. Iba. Hindi yung regular mailman ang nandito. Tinignan niya yung box. At parang sabi niya, ang dami. Siguro babalikan niya. Dito na si Jan. It's Nav's day off.
Yeah, it's a new girl.
Mm.
She didn't seem like she knew what to do.
Mm. Oh, I have another bill?
Yeah, I don't know why they keep sending you. Take a look at it.
Because I already paid it.
That's what they do.
Ilang beses ba sila maningil? Inubos ko na, dear. I already finished.
Good.
So she will be back, dear?
She'll be back. We're not doing anything tomorrow, are we?
Naming bills. Medical bills. And I have $31. But I think I already paid. Every time I go there, I paid my card. Ah, this is the doctor's fee. Why are they doing that? Why are they separating it? See? So kung wala kang insurance, no, if you don't have insurance, you will pay $600, dear. Look. If
Oh
you
no,
don't have
you would pay more than that.
Oh?
Well, maybe for just the doctor.
Mhm. Kaya-
That's just for the doctor. That's not for the surgery. That's like a flat fee, and then he gets paid for the surgery.
Surgery is thousands,
Yes,
right? Mm.
lots of thousands. They want you to have insurance. That's how they get you.
Bayaran ko to kasi due na siya nung 11 eh. Ay, due na siya nung 11. June 11 pa pala siya mag-due. Grabe, busog na busog ako, guys. Dapat ganito yung mga content na gagawin natin, guys, do. Ano naman yung next na imumukbang natin? Siguro chorizo na naman kasi last time nag-chorizo ako, 'di ba? So ngayon, ibalik naman natin. After nito, chorizo na naman. And then, gusto ko sana dried fish, guys. Kaso nga lang, hindi sa pag-inarte, guys, ha. Bawal na kasi sa akin ang dried fish, mga ginamos, no? Baka may magsabi na naman, ha, na nasa Amerika na, hindi na kumakain. No, bawal talaga sa mga gout. Bawal. So, as much as I would love to eat it, no, I cannot. Pagbabayaran natin, we will suffer and we will pay for it. So, yun lang muna, guys, ang ating ano ngayon, mukbang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana naglaway kayo dyan. Thank you so much for watching. See you again later guys ha.